that your speed?
So if you're pitching 50, he's pitching 50.
And then next part you go to what you're here for.
Goes on for now.
Silly was terrified.
Attention visitors, for your safety while hovering through Monstrosity, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi, and be sure to supervise your children. Thank you.
Atención visitantes, para su propia seguridad durante el paseo, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies,
While motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi, and be sure to supervise your children. Thank you.
Atención visitantes, para su propia seguridad durante el paseo.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
It danced like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, trying to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. Take document charge. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
I have the girl's picture!
Well, I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got Boo's door set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Get it up, get it up!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mike and Sully.
But I love you, kiddo.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go.
Nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately
You all have to go decontaminated.
We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 99%. We either confirmed or denied.
Never saw a human child in Monstropolis. It never happened. What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there.